Welcome to Mrs. B Does Phonics, Phase 5. Let's find out a little bit more about Phase 5. During Phase 5, your children will learn split digraphs, which we can see here are the A, E, I, O and U or U sound. They'll also recognise that some graphemes can be pronounced in different ways. For example, here we can see the ch sound, so ch as in check, sh as in chef and k as in school. Furthermore, they'll begin to learn alternative spellings for graphemes. For example, here we've used the E sound, so the double E, EY and the split E. We'll take a look at some of these words as we progress through the Phase 5 sounds. A, k, a, o, n, crayon. Ow, k, oud, cloud. I, tie. E, eed, beads. Oi, oi, boy. Girl. Oo, glue. You, you, barbecue. Or, saw. Eel, wheel. Ant, elephant. You, stew. Oo, screw. O, toe. Nt, haunt. Key. Split A, snake. You'll see that we don't pronounce the E separately. The split A is what we might know as the magic E. E, split E, delete. Split I, slide. Split O, bone. U, cube. Oot, flute. Hopefully you've learned how to say and spell the graphemes for Phase 5 with some Phase 5 words there as well. Please be sure to watch further videos explaining other phonics terms, sounds and blending and segmenting words. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you enjoyed watching the video. Good luck!